guys, so just arrived package from Colombia looking like this, as I got another code which I want to unbox, so let's open it. So here is the code, came like this. Let's take it out. So I've got code which names is Woman's Lady Dawn Mid Jacket, original 260, and I got it on sale for $100, and it's in nice plum color, and it looks like this. So this jacket is quite long and it's really nice. I'm not sure if it will be fitting me. Might have to go back, and because I read the reviews that they run small. It has two pockets that are waterproofed here. Zipper is waterproofed. It also has Omni-HEAT reflective technology inside. It comes with snaps here. I mean Velcro snaps and zipper, which we open right now, and it has two-way zipper. And when we open it, it has nice reflective lining, which are small dots that they reflect 20% of your body heat. So yeah, and it also runs inside sleeves, and it's in X large. It has here security pocket, and here it has some, not fleece, but very nice soft lining. This hood is also very nice. This part is attached with a zipper, and here also with zipper, and also here it's hidden here on snap. So yeah, very nice jacket, especially when you buy on sale. So let's try it on. Also cool about it is that it has this thing, like a thumb on the wrist, and here it has snaps that you can adjust. Omni-HEAT. Actually, it fit. Let's zip it up. Let's zip it. So it looks like this. This coat fit me better as it's perfect size, X large, and it looks like this. I really like this thing, that it's nice pink color, and here it has Colombia sign. Pockets are really nice too, not really hard to open. Inside it has some material that is also warm fleece kind of. And good that here it has regulate, because otherwise here it's like too wide. So yeah, this is coat from Colombia. It's kind of warm. And also I like this part, that it has this thing that protects you from zipper, cold zipper outside. And here this part looks like this. So yeah, coat looks like this. And this coat, this exact coat runs a little small, so if you are size large, then get X large, because I think it gives perfect size to layer like hoodie or something like that. Columbia. And here it has Omni-HEAT technology. If you want to read, you can pause. And it has down inside. And what does it have? Responsible down. So yeah, Omni-HEAT. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you like videos like this, then give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.